Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Crafty Mama. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Sorry I've kind of taken a little while to get another video up for you guys. I normally try to post at least 1 to 2 times a week, but I was so overwhelmed with order book orders that it was really just taking up most of my time. So I was not able to record, but I got everybody's orders out. If you purchased a book from me, thank you so much for the support. I definitely appreciate it. But for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this appointment book. I created the templates and the cover and everything myself. Once the order books became a huge hit, I started getting some requests for appointment books for like hair stylists and nail techs. So this is an appointment book that I did for a nail tech. And I'm going to show you how I created the cover and how I created this template. Okay, so if you would like to learn how to make an appointment book, go ahead and stick around. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to come up to resize here, and I'm just going to duplicate this because this is one that I made for a customer, so I don't want to touch that one. So I'm just going to come up here and duplicate it. Basically, it's the exact same thing. I just duplicated it. And we'll close that out. And then I'll go ahead and delete all of this and show you how I did it. Starting off with the background, I went up here to elements and I typed in pink brush stroke. And here's all the ones that popped up. And I wanted like a softer pink. So these are the softer pinks down here. These are pro brush strokes. So if you have the pro version, then these will be available to you. If you have the free version, you could Google a brush stroke and remove the background and then upload it and then use it that way. I think this is the one I went with. Just gonna make it larger and then slant it like that. So it goes across the whole page. And then we're gonna duplicate it and bring it down here. The name of her business is Carly Cash Nails. So I'm just gonna go to add a heading here and type that, Carly Cash Nails. And the font that I used is this one. It's called a dripping marker. And I got that from whatthefont.com, I believe is where I got it from. And I want that to be just a touch off center, like that. And the space between this Carly Cash and nails, I want this space to be smaller. So I'm going to go up here to spacing and I'm going to make the line height smaller. All right, that is pretty good. And then we're going to slant it. And then we're going to go to our uploads. This girl I did get from Feathers of Style. That's where I pretty much get all the girls that look like this, like super realistic. Feathers of Style on Etsy is where I got her from. And go back to text, add a heading, and then we're going to type appointments book. And we're going to change the font on this to something pretty. The Stone Kids. I use Stone Kids all the time. That's one of my favorite cursive fonts. And I also want this space in between these two words to be smaller as well. So we're going to go up to spacing, line height, and make it the line, or I'm sorry, the space in between it less. All right, and that is it for the cover. Pretty simple, just taking some images and some text and layering it. Okay, and then here is the, I'm not going to erase this whole template. I'm going to duplicate this page so that we have something to reference. Okay. For this, these are just a bunch of lines put together, and text is pretty much it. So we're gonna go to elements. You're gonna get your line. I'm just gonna choose this first one, which is available in the free version, and we're gonna turn it black, and I want it to be skinnier, so I'm gonna make it smaller and then drag it out. Okay. This is going to be the top of the border. And then we're going to duplicate it. This is going to be the days of the week. Duplicate it. And then this line is going to start at, this is going to be 7 a.m. Eight. Uh-oh. Did it duplicate? Duplicate. 9. 10. Why is this not duplicating? There we go. 11. 12. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. And these are just the time slots that I'm doing right now. 6. 7. Sorry, I don't know what my printer is doing. 8. And 9. And then we're going to duplicate the line again, and we're going to turn it. You see that box that has the numbers in it? You want the number to be 90 degrees. That lets you know that the line is straight up and down. And this is going to be the outside border here. And we're just going to drag it to the bottom. Duplicate. And it's going to be that other outside border. And duplicate again. That's where your times are going to go, right here. Duplicate again. And then this is for the days of the week, so it's going to be Monday. Duplicate. Tuesday, and then yeah, Monday, Tuesday. We'll do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday first. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We can actually scoot this over some. Okay, and there you have your table. It's pretty simple. And then you just add your text in. So Monday, and you're just going to size it to make it fit. Duplicate. Tuesday. duplicate, and Wednesday. And then for the times, you got 7 a.m. Make it smaller so it fits inside the box. Let's make it a little, I'm trying to get it centered. And then you just duplicate it all the way down and change the number. So 8. Okay, and then you would do that all the way down and then add your title. So daily appointments. Change the font to whatever you like and put it up here at the top. And that's all you're going to do. Now, it's a spread. So when you, or this is how I made it. So when you go to open the pages, the reason why I have Thursday 1st and Monday 2nd, the pages are flipped on Canva, is because when I go to download it, you want to download it Thursday 1st and then the one that has Monday 2nd, to print, so that it prints front and back. So you want Monday, so this spread for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you want this to print on the back of the Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So when you open the book, you have the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the left side, and then Thursday, Friday, Saturday sheet on the right side, so that you would be using it left to right. So you want this page to print on the back of this page. So when you flip it, when you turn the page, it lays the way that it's supposed to. So that's why I had those pages flipped. Okay. And then for this one, you're going to do, all I did was I made this page first and then I duplicated it and I made these columns smaller so that I could add in 4 days. That was all I did. So you would duplicate that and make 4 columns instead of 3 to get them all to fit. Okay. And for the back covers, I just put their logo on a white piece of paper. That's just the back cover. That's pretty standard. Order books, appointment books, your back cover is just your logo on a white piece of paper. And I normally put this on cardstock and then laminate it for the back covers. The inside pages I print on regular paper. I actually print them off in bulk at Office Depot. I think it's on the 24-pound paper, 22 or 24. I can't remember which one. And I just print it, like I'll print off one page, or no, I'm sorry. For this one, I'll email it to myself. I'll email it to, they have an email address that you would email the page to. And then you go to their printer, and when you send them the email, they're going to send you an access code. You take the access code, you put it into the printer, your page comes up, and then I print it in bulk that way. It's like 12 cents a page to do it that way versus doing it at home and spending a whole bunch of money on ink. So that's how I print the inside pages at Office Depot. And I print the cover pages onto sticker paper. I was using the Cricut sticker paper, but it's not working for me. It keeps lifting off of the chipboard. So I'm no longer going to be using the Cricut sticker paper. Now I started using Silhouette sticker paper, which is thinner and it's more sticky. And so far that one has not been lifting at all. So I would advise using a thinner sticker paper, not a thick sticker paper. And I print this at home. Both the covers, the front and the back cover, I print off of my 7210 with regular ink. All right, guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and drop a comment down below. If you have any video ideas that you would like to see or tutorials, definitely let me know and I'll try to get those out for you. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the bell so that you get notified anytime I upload. And I will definitely be getting back to posting at least 1 to 2 times a week for you guys. I hope everybody's staying safe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.